guys, it's Nicoles and welcome back to another video. And today I am reviewing a 2-year-old slime. Don't mind Nicole in the background, she's just on my hoverboards. I'll leave her channel in the description below. So let's get on with the video. So sorry if you can't see my face. She's just going to start learning how to get on and off the hoverboard. But here is what I kept it in. This was made 2 years ago and a few months, I don't know, 2 years and 5 months, I don't know. I think right that. Yeah, and let's see what it's like. Oh, it smells like Airwick, but very old Airwick. That's what it looks like. That was very close. So it is grey, kind of stretchy. I remember when I made this, it was purple. Oh, it's so ugly. So, you won't be able to see my face. Sorry if the camera falls, but it kind of pokes. One finger poking. It's not the best slime right now. I think I know how I made it. I'll tell you at the end. Anywho. So it's hard to squish, kind of, but it's hard to stretch. When you do stretch it, it just breaks. Don't mind the background noises, that's just her on my hoverboard, and the other noise is just the dryer. So, as you can see, this is a very crappy slime right now. It is kind of fun to just like do this. Kind of pops. Sorry if you can't see my face. I have to keep the camera down so you guys can see. So the 3-finger poke works. It's like pokey work. The poke. Ooh, click. So it doesn't fall down. Kind of have to roll it to stretch it. See if I can make a swirl. Wait, I'm gonna make this type of swirl. I made that type of swirl. Can you not record my face? That's just the pink swirl. This is the poo, the swirl, and we're gonna hook it. I know I am not. Yeah, here's the slime. Oh, so peeling it off is just hard. Oh, so it is not sticky. Like it'll stick, just doesn't stick to you actually. So that's really good. If you listen closely, you can kind of hear the clip when I poke it. If I just bring you guys down to where the slime is. See the way you can kind of hear it. It's a good slime, still for 2 years and 5 months old. Yeah. So this is a very short video, but it's just a review of this really ugly slime. It is so bad, but I guess maybe in my next video I'll try fix it. I'll try my best to try fix it. So yeah. So how I made this was a glue stick, melted it, well cut into little pieces, melted it in the microwave for about 2 minutes, a minute, and then quickly mixed it and added Airwick. And then just colored it with marker. Doesn't turn out to be the best slime when you do make it because it's very sticky, but when you leave it for a while, okay. I would like play with it. This just wouldn't really stretch it. So it's kind of like a mask. You would say that it's kind of like a mask. So say I go to here for a hand mask. Just smoothing it. It's lovely and cold. peel it off. Oh. So it doesn't exactly stick like a really sticky slime where you can't get off. Just it's sticky to. Sorry, I knew that was gonna happen.
Sorry, guys.
I don't know why she said sorry, but oh, it's kind of stretching. Cause it's by the heat of your hands, I think. Anyway, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe and comment down below. Do you guys have slime? And I'll leave Nicole's name for her channel down in the description below. Make sure you go check that out. And
make sure you like and share for this channel.